Hello friend, now let us see the problem number 66. What is the problem 66 student? If you check out, they are saying a mixture of 1 chloropropane and 2 chloropropane when treated with alcoholic KOH it gives. Okay, so let us do with the help of this. So 1 chloropropane student, so CH3, CH2 and CH2Cl. This is 1 chloropropane, 1 chloropropane. Of this 1 chloropropane, when you are treating with alcoholic KOH student, alcoholic KOH. So we know that is alcoholic KOH is, you know, alcoholic KOH is strong base. This is a strong base. This is strong base, right? And if it is a strong base student, if it is a strong base, so that is it results in the elimination reaction. It results in elimination reaction. Elimination. So how the products will be there, student? So one hydrogen from any of the this position and chlorine will be out. So minus HCl will be there, student. So what could be the product if you talk about? The product will be beta hydrogen will eliminate, student, this hydrogen. So what will be there? The product will be CH3 CH double bond CH2. Okay, this is okay. This is the beta elimination. Another is there. What is, student? That is 2 chloropropane. So 2 chloropropane, if you see, that is CH3 CH and CH3. This is the Cl. This is, that is 2 chloropropane. 2 chloropropane. So when you are treating 2 chloropropane with what, student? Alcoholic KOH. Alcoholic KOH. And this will also result in the beta elimination. This is also beta. This is also beta elimination. So what will be there, student? Beta elimination reaction. One of the hydrogen will be and one chlorine will be out, minus HCl. So what it will give, student? It will give CH3 CH double bond CH2. So what is proptoine? Proptoine. Either propene, not proptoine, prop1ene. So it is also propene and this is also propene. So in the both the cases we are getting propene only. So correct option is option number 1, student. Propene. Correct option is option number 1. Right. Now let us move for the another question. Okay. Another question is what, student? If you see. Okay, 1 second. If you see, let us erase this some of the part of the question, student, for the answering 66. Okay. It's not getting erased, student. I don't know why. Should get erased. Okay, let us see, by the way, what we can do. So if you are going for the next question, friend, next question. So next question is what, students? Next question is 66, 67. So 67, they are saying when you are treating the ethyl chloride, when you are hitting the ethyl chloride, then what will happen, student? When you are hitting the ethyl chloride with AgCN, okay, ethyl chloride with AgCN. If you are hitting ethyl chloride with AgCN, form compound X, the functional isomers of X. Okay, ethyl chloride they are talking about, student. This is C2H5OH. Okay, C2H5Cl. This C2H5 ethyl chloride on reaction with AgCN, student. If you are treating with AgCN, so it will give, that is C2H5NC. Okay. So its isomer, this is the compound X. Its isomer, they are checking what is the isomer. So isomer will be what, student? C2H5CN. So you check with the option, student. Option C is the correct option, student. Option C. Now let us move with the question number 68, friend. Okay, what is the question number 68? If you see this 68 problem. So 68 problem, the number of monochlorinated derivatives obtained when neopentane, student, when they are saying that is when neopentane, okay, neopentane, okay, they are saying when neopentane is chlorinated, when neopentane is chlorinated, okay. So when neopentane is chlorinated, what could be our answer, students? Let me check out. So here will be the neopentane. What is the structure neopentane, student? This is the neopentane. CH3. This is also CH3. Here is CH3 and CH3. You are doing the chlorination, student. COT no Cl2 HV So it will give the if it will remove the CH3 C. Here is CH3. This is also CH3 and this is CH2Cl. So anywhere you remove from here chlorine, from here hydrogen, you will get the same product, student. So the monochloride derivative neopentane is, so that is one isomer you will give, only one isomer, okay, one isomers. So correct option will be option number 1, okay. Now let us move 69. The starting material for the preparation of CHI3, the starting material for the preparation of CHI3, okay, student. So if you see the starting material from CHI3, student, what could be our answer, student? Our option will be, our option will be CHI3. The starting material is ethyl alcohol, student. Nothing is to, we do not give to go to more detail. That is CH, this is the C2H5OH is the starting material for the preparation of the iodoform, okay. Now let us move another problem, student. What is the other problem? If you talk about the other problem, problem number 70. What is the problem number 70 is there, student? If you see problem number 70, CCl4 is insoluble in water because water is not CCl4, student. CCl4 is non-polar, okay. This is non-polar. So if it is non-polar, so it will dissolve only, where, student, dissolve only in polar, in non-polar solvent, okay, non-polar solvent, polar, okay, polar solvent so water is non-polar. This is first is wrong. CCl4 is non-polar. Option B is the correct option, student, okay. So because we know that is CCl4 is non-polar, so it cannot dissolve in water, okay. Now let us move with the question number 71. So what is question number 71, friend? If you see, so when you are going for the question number 71, among the following molecule, which is the highest dipole moment? Highest dipole moment, A number option you see, here is CH, hydrogen, this is hydrogen and this is chlorine. B number option, if you check, Cl, okay, here is also Cl, here is the hydrogen and this is hydrogen. So third number option, Cl, here is H, you can draw here Cl and Cl. D number CCl4, no, CCl4. So here is Cl and this is Cl, okay. Now you check the vector, student. If you are checking the vector, where the vector is going, in first case it is, in first case the it is coming down, chlorine is morely electronegative, okay. It is coming there, it is coming, means wholesome vector will be, this direction, in one direction, wholesome vector. So if it is one direction, student, one direction means it is having the highest dipole moment. Here is this direction, okay, here will be the this direction, here is this direction, opposite vector, so it cannot have. Here is, you see, this direction, here is this direction, this direction, means this is also opposite vector, and this is the completely cancelling out, okay, complete opposite direction. So correct option will be option number 1. Option number A is the correct answer. Thank you so much for watching, friends.